On the top shelf of a small convenience store, surrounded by shiny soda cans and colorful snacks, sat a humble little cup of noodles named Nori. Nori wasn't fancy. She didn't have extra spice packets or a shiny label. She was just plain, simple, comforting cup noodles. But Nori believed something very important. Everyone has something to give, even a little cup like her. Every day, Nori watched customers walk in and out. They rushed by, grabbing quick bites, never noticing her. Instant noodles weren't exactly exciting, not like the big chocolate bars or the fancy sandwiches in the fridge. Still, Nori waited patiently. One rainy evening, the store door swung open, and a boy named Leo came in. He was wet, cold, and looked very tired. He had only a few coins in his pocket. He scanned the shelves, sighing. Most things were too expensive. But then he saw Nori. He picked her up and smiled. "You'll do," he whispered. At the counter, he handed over his last coins. The shopkeeper smiled kindly. "Good choice. She may be simple, but she's warm." Leo took Nori home to a tiny apartment where he lived with his grandmother. They didn't have much, but they shared what they had. That night, as steam curled up from the cup and the delicious smell filled the room, Leo placed the cup between them. "Want to share, Grandma?" His grandmother nodded. "Smells just like when you were little." And just like that, over a simple cup of noodles, warmth filled the room, not just from the food, but from the moment. Nori felt it too. She wasn't just noodles anymore. She was comfort. She was care. From that day on, Nori's story spread. The shopkeeper would tell customers, "A boy once bought this little cup with his last coins, and it brought him and his grandma closer." People began to see Nori differently, not just as a snack, but as a reminder. Sometimes the simplest things carry the most love. And though many cups came and went, Nori's spirit remained, reminding everyone that even the smallest, humblest things can make a big difference when given with kindness.